Hello everybody, let's make this cute little pineapple. So we're going to make 16 pieces of this yellow craft paper, then start folding it, make a triangular shape and again fold it like we're doing here. Then we're going to do this from all the paper pieces and then we're going to tuck all of them together and make a shape like this. Then we're going to make more such shapes and then start folding it like how we are doing here, and it's done. After this we're going to press it and make 4 such pieces and paste all of them together like this. Then we are going to cover the top and bottom using the remaining pieces and it's done. Then we're going to make the crown of the pineapple using green craft paper. So fold it like this and tuck all the pieces together and look, it's done. Look at this cute little China leaf. Let's make it. We are folding this newspaper cutting. You can also use a craft paper in place of this. So make multiple folds like we are doing here. Then we are going to make 5 such pieces and paste all of them together using a glue, and look, it is ready. Then we are also going to roll another piece of paper and it's done. Look at these beautiful rose flowers. Let's make it. So cut a strip of red craft paper and start folding it. Then we are going to combine these 2 such pieces in set of 3. Then combine all of them together like this and tie it using a thread or like a rubber band here. Then we are going to pull all the petals upwards like this, and look at the beautiful rose flower. It's done. We are also going to curl it using a toothpick like this. Curl all the petals like we're doing here, and look, it's done. Then we're going to make the leaves of the flowers. So fold a green craft paper, cut it, and look, it is done. We are also making the another leaf like this. So then we're going to roll another stick and make a stick like this, and it's done. Then we're going to combine all of them together, and look, your rose flower stick is ready. In this video we are going to make this flying heart stick. Let's make it. So take a printed craft paper and start folding it like this. Flip it. We are going to make a heart shape here. So again start folding it like this. First we are making pleats so that we are making the flying thing here, and press it and look, it is ready. We are going to give it shape like this. Now flip it and look, your heart is ready. Now make a stick by rolling craft paper and look, it's done. Take a red craft paper and start folding it like this. Flip it and again fold it like we're doing here. We are going to make a heart shape here. So give it shape like this and it's done. Look at this double heart bookmark. Let's make it. So take a craft paper and start folding it. Look how we're doing here. Now open it. We are making crease here. So flip it and again fold it from its corners. Now combine all of them and fold it. Look, you will get a mini square shape at the center. So press it gently and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to again fold it. Look how we are doing here. We are going to make a heart shape here. When you flip it, you will also get a mini heart at the center. Give it fold and look, it's done. Now flip it again and fold it like this, and look, your heart is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.